Good morning guys, welcome back to another vlog. Today is March 6th. Yeah, so this is the day I am leaving Sri Lanka for Maldives, and today I booked a tour from my hostel here because they're offering a tour around Negombo. So the host offered like maybe around 4 hours to 5 hours. This tour actually was 15,000 rupees. In USD is around $45. Yeah, so by the way, with the exchange rate in the airport when I arrived, it was 1 USD to 350 rupees. I think recently it gone down, so I think now it's around, when I withdrew last night, it was like 333 per $1. So at least that's a good sign for the economy of Sri Lanka. Yeah, so that's what we want actually in the first place, to help the tourism here in Sri Lanka. So I'm so happy to be here, and yeah, in my small way help. Yeah guys, power interruption is real here in Sri Lanka. Biglang nag-off yung light at lahat, pati aircon wala na habang nag-empake ako. Pero meron silang generator, buting lang may ilaw. So ganun pala yung nangyayari dito. Yung kanilang power interruption is real. But yeah, I'm happy it's back. I'm just waiting for my host to pick me for the tour for today in Lagoon. Alright.
To see the monkey.
To see the monkey. Okay, cool. Today is a holiday, right?
Yes.
But you're not celebrating it, no?
Today is the Foya day. The
Full moon day. Oh, Buddhist.
The Buddhist. I am Catholic.
Oh, you do? Oh, okay. I'm a Christian.
Yeah.
Okay, first stop daw namin ngayon ay sa Lagoon. So yeah, alas 9 na ng umaga. So yeah guys, I'm on a mission with these guys to the lagoon. They are friendly locals of Negombo. One of the popular things to do here as a traveler is to check out on these smooth and tranquil waters of the city, as it is the prominent place that supports the fishing industry due to the availability of fish all year round. It has given me splendid views of the mangroves and water birds along the way. I also watched fishermen and their families during this trip. I was amazed at these colorful fishing boats, evidence as how this place is popular for the fish industry in the city. And as we go further, I watch many species of birds flocking around the port in search of food. It was my first time to see such a busy lagoon in this part of the world that I had been to. I am so much excited as we rowed this boat to our final destination, which is where the locals suggested to bring me. And I wasn't disappointed as we approached the place. The water has become more calm and the feeling of serenity is felt in this area. It was really quiet, and there were a few other locals and foreigners. It was just so nice to chill and relax at this time of the day, admiring the view and the sounds of the birds, animals, and insects living alongside this mangrove.
Don't panic, just.
Okay, no problem. As long as they won't eat me, I'm good.
Aru ni, wait for run karan. Mali bahan mung konde pira nigang kaya kapte dalo ini.
So we drove from one island to another to feed these mammals living in it. Our leftovers from the fruit feast we had earlier were enjoyed by all these beautiful monkeys as we watched them come closer. They were so admirable. I don't know they love fruits.
Yeah, vegetarian. Animal. मुझे बड़े पीला लगे रे.
Oh yeah. Happen to your throat. What is below there? This one? What is this?
I think
Is that a food pouch? Or is it a tumor?
tumor, I think.
Tumor?
Hello. එනගම ඉන්නේ. මේ වඳුරු බලනවා බා. අපිට එනගම. එපා ඉඳපන් දැන් මේ අයියෝ කතා කරලා තියෙනවා. අර තව විනාඩි 15ක් අපි ආවා. ඉඳපන් නලියනවද නලිය?
I thought that was the end of the tour in the mangrove, but as we hopped from one island to another, this scenic route was just so mesmerizing for me. Flock of birds flying on top of us, the sounds of the coastal, the mixture of insects screaming were just a music to my soul. And then soon after, we reached this statue of Jesus Christ. To my surprise, as I did my research, this part of Sri Lanka was actually heavily colonized by the Portuguese during the 15th century. They were also kind to show me how vast this lagoon is. I mean, just look at this crab easily picked from the water. It just shows how rich this nature in Negombo. Our tour didn't end up here. My guide took me to an ice cream bar to try their famous ice cream in Negombo City, which I didn't capture on camera. We were just enjoying the treat in the middle of the hot weather, after which he brought me to the famed long, wide beach with soft golden sand stretching from North Town to these hotel strips. This beach is popular for exhilarating water sports such as kayaking, sailing, jet skiing, and water skiing. So, normally daw dito pag hindi naman siya busy, walang tao. Kaso nagkataon na holiday kaya ganito. You know, it's nice to chill here at night.
Yes.
Yeah, this timing is, it's really so hot. Guys, dito sa Negombo Beach, pwede kang mag-hire ng boat. 13,000 daw isang boat. Tapos, pwede kang magtingin ng coral reefs. Pero, sabi nung aking guide dyan, medyo dangerous. Mamaya, uwi na ako. Kaya, manood na lang ako. Yes. We left the Golden Beach for a detour in a wonderful temple well known for the Grand Dragon entrance and marvelous Buddha statue. This Hindu temple, also known as Bodhiraja Rama Mahaviharaya, is a worship place for Hindus and Buddhists. The Buddha statue is 6 meters in height. This is a popular religious center containing fine sculptural works and paintings on the life of Buddha and Jataka stories. Guys, nagkikisingit ako dito sa may fish market ng Negombo. Let's go. So morning here, more crowded. Right? In the morning, more fish. In the morning. Yeah, it's still alive. What do you call this fish? I cannot determine that. Help me hold it, I will stay here. I think someone's buying. I don't want to do
Come, madam, come.
Okay.
It's not heavy. You are barai.
Many kgs.
Kilo kiya kiyo uधर वाले? Kal kilo kiya किधर दिया?
गाने
It's so slippery. Sorry, I can't.
किलो में के आया
6 kilos. It's heavy 6 kilos.
यस
Heavy.
6 kilos is not heavy.
I mean, for me. Yeah, it's okay. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you.
You will drink some water bottle.
Guys, dito ginagawa daw yung fish cutting. So, pwede kang bumili. You can buy there and you can cut there. Right? Oh. What is stingray?
Sorry?
This are what? Stingray?
No.
No?
Manda.
Manda. Okay.
Dry fish area.
Drying area.
Yes, dry fish area.
Dry fish area.
Yes. Look, it's all over dry fish area.
Thank you.
No. You come here.
Yes! Alright. So after they dry here for like how many days?
I think 1 week, 2 weeks,
1
more
week.
than 1 week, 2 weeks.
Okay, but at night they will take this again?
Mm.
Or just live here for the whole 24 hours?
Yes.
Really? I was so much amazed at this point in time as we continued to journey at the famous fish market of Negombo. Here, I witnessed the day's catch from the lagoon and other parts of the sea as far as the Indian Ocean, after which the fishes are being laid on enormous mats made of coconut fiber. They will be left in the open air for drying from the heat of the sun, removing all moisture and extending their shelf life. It will then get salted before being shipped to all over the country.
කෙසේ වෙතත් පන්දු තුනක් අවසානයේ එකදු ලකුණක් ගන්න නැතුව
There are 6 balls for the 1 over. This is the first over.
Okay,
This bowling 6 ball.
okay,
After that, another.
no more.
Oh,
Oh,
because he is good bowler.
good bowler.
Yes, he is bowling very well.
Okay.
right now we have ලකුණක් නොලබා
Still not enough. Balls of left, but is
බලමු
Yeah. Wow.
ආස්ථාවේ හොඳ බාරක්
not 4.
ස්ථානගත කරා
So 4.
ඔවුන්ගේ රටේ ස්ථානගත වන සංගත් බෝලර් සංගත්
While on our way back to the transit, I was lucky enough to witness the national sports of the country. In 1996, Sri Lanka's triumphant in the Cricket World Cup leaves an indelible mark in their cricketing history. With this legacy, cricket's popularity remains unmatched and cherished in Sri Lanka. Guys, tingnan nyo naman. Chilling lang ako dito sa aking transit sa Negombo. Kasi pagkatapos ng tour namin kaninang umaga, inalaw nila akong mag-stay dito. Grabe guys. Ang babait ng mga Senhalis people. Kasi alam na yun, wala akong naramdaman na pambabastos or alam mo yun. Lahat sila napakabait. Tsaka yung mga boys dito, wala akong naramdaman na kahit anong pangit. They're so kind here, guys. Parang gusto kong tumira dito ng mahabang panahon. Alam nyo guys, yung kanina dito, pinunta ako sa kanilang bahay. That's how they welcome you here. Guys, in their own homes. I met his wife and the kids, and they're so good. Really so good. I really have a nice day here in Sri Lanka. I hope I can come back and give thanks to all these people. They're so welcoming. Thank you so much, Senhalis people, for welcoming me. I felt so much respected, you know. Yeah, I love you guys here in Sri Lanka. I hope one day soon I will come back. Bye.